swear I cannot make an intro. This is like my 8th time now. Hopefully this one, I'm trying to stay calm and try not to mess up my words, my grammar. Try not to talk a lot. So let's just do this. Hey everyone, Big1 here, aka Tracy. Go back to another video. So it's been a while. I haven't uploaded a video since like December 25, and it was like what I got for Christmas. And then I stopped, but I'm back with a DIY video. Ideas for you, as you guys probably are locked in your house right now and don't know what to do. So here I am. You should do these DIYs because it's pretty easy, you know. I don't think you have to go out in the stores to buy these items. And can I just say and I also gained 96 subscribers, which is very crazy because I don't understand how people subscribe to me. I don't understand how you guys are subscribed to me because my videos are like trash. Like that's why I haven't uploaded, because I'm not very happy with my videos that I make. So yes, I've recorded so many videos throughout these months, but I never uploaded them because I'm not very happy with them. So that's why I haven't uploaded for a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to make a DIY because like I haven't made anything at all, and you guys need something to retain or to do. You know what I'm saying? And I saw I do want to post more videos. So leave the comments down below what type of video you guys want to see, and I may or may not do it. So yes, thank you guys, and let's get on with the DIY. Let's go. Alrighty, so first thing you'll need will be foam, glitter, any color of your choice, hot glue gun. Make sure to call a parent if you don't know how to use it. Safety scissors, and a pencil to trace some things. Alright, so first you grab your foam and you have to fold it in half, a hamburger style. And then you'll get your pencil and it'll be time for tracing your letters. Make sure to start from the top where the folded side is, because that thing will make your letters stick together. So I did this free-handed without any, like, you know, those little sketches or whatever they're called. So yeah. While you're doing your letters, make sure that all your letters are the same size or like the same height, because one could be bigger, one could be smaller, and that wouldn't look right. So make sure you have everything the same height. As I also, for the letters, you have to have like a little rectangle down in the bottom. As you can see, there's like, I didn't finish the letter B with a curve like on the bottom, so you have to look at a little rectangle. I don't know how to explain, but like you see what I'm doing. Yeah, you see that little rectangle? You have to have that in all your letters, because that will make it stick on your headband. Then next you have to do your T and S, and make sure to have the same height for all the letters and that little rectangle on the bottom. I redid all my B and T because the S was much more bigger than the other two, so I had to redo them. Make sure to redo your letters to make it look good. My B turned out a little bit bad, but I fixed it at the end. Next, you have to cut your letters out. Make sure do not cut out the rectangle. Make sure to leave a rectangle out, okay guys? That's like the important thing. And do not cut out the top part, or else you already ruined it. It won't work. Make sure it's stick like that, like together. And then you can start like cutting out or reshaping the letters. So and make sure that the bottom part of the rectangle can be folded upwards. And then for the letter B, like the little circles in the middle, I folded the B in half and I started cutting it. As for your T, don't forget, do not cut the little rectangle on the bottom. Make sure that your T has a little rectangle and is folded upwards as well. And as for your S, make sure it has a little rectangle at the bottom and is folded. Next, you get your glue gun and your letters, and you will stick your letters together, but not the bottom part of the rectangle. Do not glue that part down. Make sure to leave it. You can leave it upward so you won't forget to not glue that. And then start gluing your letters. Once you have your letters glued down, you will have your Elmer's glue and your glitter and start gluing glitter on your letters. And then you do it to all the rest. Back and front side. Alright, then you grab your headband and your letters and your glue gun. And so this is like the hard part. I can't really explain it. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you guys can get it while watching me. But first I put down my headband on like the table and rearrange my letters on the headband, like how long or where do you want it to be, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry I can't explain, but you can also grab like a black pencil and trace where your letters are. You know what I'm doing, to know where you're gonna glue your letters at. So make sure it's not crooked or whatever. As you can see what I did, you can't really see, but I hope you guys understand. Next, you grab your glue gun, and wherever you mark those little spots are, you will then glue down your letter on it. Just like that. And then do the rest to your letters. Put glue on the headband where the marks are left, and then put your letter. That's what for those rectangles are, to like stick it on the glue, to put it on the glue to be on the headband. I don't know how to explain, but make sure to leave the rectangle, okay? And then once you're done gluing your letters on the headband, you can then go back and fix any like little spots that are not with glitter. And then you're done. Alright, for the next DIY, you need a stick. I bought this stick from Walmart for a couple of cents, or just grab a stick from outside, and it also look cute. Next, you will need some string, and you cut the string the length that you want. I can't really tell you the length that I cut it because like I didn't measure it, so yeah. But this is how long I cut it. Next, you'll have to cut 5 string the same size that you cut the first one. So in total, it will be 6 of the same size string. Does that make sense? I hope it does. After that, you'll get your string and your stick, and you will have to put like a loop, tie it on the stick, just like do a loop and another loop and then tie it. I don't know how to explain, but hopefully you guys understand just by looking at the video. And then that extra string there, you can cut it so it won't look ugly. And it should look like that. And you have to do it to the rest of the strings. Make sure to have like a little space between all of them. And then you choose the wall that you want to put it at, and make sure, I suggest using the stick to have the exact measures, but make sure it's straight, you know. So yeah, use the stick to have the exact measures. And get your needles and just nail it down, you know. And then make sure you have your stick, and make sure if you like it, or like, you know, you enjoy it or whatever. And then if you think the strings are a little bit long, then just grab them all and cut the same size. After you got your measures and stuff, you can grab your cards, your photo shoot, your cards, and you get your tape and just tape the card, tape the card on the string. Oh my god. And then you're done.